Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download Bluestacks on your MacBook, and it really doesn't matter if you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac, because the process is pretty much the same. Alright, so first what you need to do here is you need to go on bluestacks.com, and once you're here then you need to press download button here, and as you can see here it's downloading right now on my computer. So I already have this file on my downloads. So I will go here quickly. As you can see here, it's Bluestacks, and once you download the file, just press on it, and we need to wait then for a few seconds here. And as you can see here, it's verifying Bluestacks installer. We need to wait again for a few seconds here until the MacBook is verifying the Bluestacks. So it will be quick, it will take a few seconds, so we can wait here. As you can see here, it's verifying, and probably you will see this window, Bluestacks installer can be opened because it was not downloaded from the App Store. So what you need to do here next is to go on Finder and go on System Preferences. And once you are on System Preferences, then I will show this window. You need to go on Security and Privacy, and then press you will see this one, the title, Bluestacks was blocked from opening because it is not from an identified developer. So press open anyway, and once you press, again we need to wait for a few seconds here until it's verifying. So also it will be very quick and easy. And as you can see here, are you sure you want to open it? Press open, and again it's verifying. And guys, once it's verified, you should see this window, and what you need to do here, as you can see here, to install, double click the icon above. So double click, and then again we need to wait for a few seconds here, and again it's verifying. And then guys, you should see this window once it is verified, and simply what you need to do here next is press install now. And now, as you can see here, Bluestacks is installing. So, and as you can see here, Bluestacks is trying to install a new helper tool, and then you need to basically put your password to install helper. And as you can see here, verifying installer files, this could take up to 30 to 35 seconds. So again, we need to wait. And now guys, as you can see here, Bluestacks is already installed, and I need to select my country, so the language that basically the Bluestacks will run, then press let's go. And the next step, what you need to do here, you need to put your email so you can basically download the games or apps on Play Store. So we need to again wait for a few seconds. So guys, I already put my email and the password and log into my account on Bluestacks, and now I can go on Play Store and download apps and games and play basically mobile games on my MacBook via Bluestacks. Alright, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.